Open plan living has completely changed the way our homes have been designed over the last few decades. That's why at Doors Plus, we're leading the zone living revolution. Now, with the rise of working from home and other changes, many are looking for a solution that maintains that open plan feel, but also gives you the privacy or ability to close off a room when needed. Our exclusive zone living doors are available in the minimalist shaker style. If you like the clean lines and subtle aesthetic of the shaker series, this is the perfect solution for your open spaces. You can choose from sliding, stacking, or folding doors with either a solid panel for maximum privacy or with glass or mirrored panels to maintain that open feel when closed. The ability to close off an area of your living space and enjoy some peace and quiet, free from distraction, is something that our customers have loved, especially with the rise in working from home. Visit a Doors Plus showroom today and book your free measure and quote and learn more about our Shaker Zone Living Revolution.